Whole durian arrives at the receiving dock and is staged for controlled intake. Each lot is weighed to establish yield and traceability. Lot codes link fruit to documentation and downstream controls. Representative samples are taken for inbound quality checks. Temperature and external condition are verified before release. Lots are segregated based on inbound quality results. Accepted fruit is staged under FFO to preserve freshness. Non-conforming lots are held and do not enter processing.
Released lots advance to controlled washing and preparation.
Crates are positioned for gentle, controlled tipping.
Fruit is tipped gently to prevent shell breakage and cross-contamination.
Metered discharge stabilizes downstream washing. Bubble flumes wash rough shells while minimizing impact. A spray rinse removes loosened soil from the shell surface. Brush washers scrub the spiny shell to reduce surface contamination. Sanitizer contact time is controlled to meet hygiene targets.
A final rinse removes sanitizer residues before dewatering.
Fruit is aligned to ensure precise, safe cutting. Stem ends are removed to reduce contamination risk. The hard shell is mechanically opened under controlled conditions. Final trimming protects downstream equipment and quality. Uniform sizing improves grinding efficiency and yield. Grinding converts flesh into a pumpable mash.
Mash is fed steadily to the pulper for separation.
Fine finishing improves texture consistency. Inline sieves provide final particle control. Watered fiber is evenly fed to the dryer for stable moisture removal. Controlled drying reduces moisture to a stable storage level. Dried fiber is milled into a uniform powder. Sifting ensures consistent particle size.
Fiber powder is bagged for byproduct customers.
Brix and pH guide lawful standardization. Homogenization improves stability and mouthfeel. Validated time and temperature ensure microbial safety.
Are checked before aseptic transfer.
Routine microbiological sampling confirms control. Sterile connections protect product integrity during transfer. Pure sterility through storage and transport. Coding links finished product to its processing history. Weights are verified to meet contract specifications. Vision systems confirm seal integrity before release. Drums are palletized for safe handling. Wrapping stabilizes loads during transport. Finished drums are held under controlled conditions.
Product is loaded for shipment to customers.
Ensures hygienic conditions between runs. Orders are staged by route to prevent handling errors. Containers are inspected to protect product during transit. Loads are secured to prevent movement in transit.
Seals provide tamper evidence through transport.
Wrapping stabilizes byproduct pallets for storage. Byproducts are stored in a dedicated labeling area. Proper PPE is required before sanitation activities. Floor drains capture solids to protect wastewater systems. Discharge is monitored to meet environmental permits. Steam in place sterilizes aseptic equipment. Sterility is documented before the next run.
Raw intake areas are cleaned to prevent cross-contamination.
Lockout procedures protect staff during maintenance.
As the finished goods inventory system processes the input, the stock records are successfully updated in the ERP terminal.
Dryers are cleaned to prevent buildup and fire risk.
Milling equipment is inspected after cleaning.
Utilities are set to standby after shutdown. Retained samples support traceability and investigations. The facility is secured after operations. Supplier performance is reviewed against specifications.
Pay close attention to the red zone indicators here. We need to ensure the system is fully depressurized before we start the replacement of the manifold.
Clean bins are returned for reuse in the supply chain. Key equipment condition is checked between runs.
Full review.
Empty drums are cleaned and staged for future use. Pipelines are visually inspected to confirm cleanliness. Inspection findings. Maintenance notes logged. Agitators are checked to ensure proper blending next run. Daily closeout confirms all steps are complete.
Monitored to protect systems.
Finished goods areas are secured after dispatch.
Aseptic records confirm control from heat treatment to filling.
Physical inventory is reconciled with records.
Clean tanks are sealed to maintain aseptic readiness.
The yield is strong this quarter and uptime remains steady.
Agreed. The waste reduction is particularly impressive. Looks like we are good to finalize the review.
The facility transitions to night mode.
Batch files are archived to meet regulatory retention requirements. Carrier schedules are confirmed to complete dispatch. Loading docks are secured after operations. The shipment departs under documented control.